Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gilang Ramarpane with student number 2024-31109. In this video, I'm gonna explain about exercise or assignment from Mr. Fadli where we using XMPP software in the command prompt CMD. Okay, so the first step, what we're gonna do is we need to start the service like MySQL and Apache. Okay, once we start these two of service, then we press the shell button in here, and then we're gonna go to the command prompt section, and we're gonna start typing MySQL min root, and then uh, we're gonna get into MariaDB, and then we need to okay, for that this is the task. We need to create a database with student number and uh, two. And the second one, we need to create table with transaction or transaction. First, um, is it's content like ID transaksi, tanggal transaksi, nama pelanggan, etc. So, to column to the transaction table where the transaction is the name of the new column. Where is it? Where it's has a unique, yeah, unique type of. We need to insert our data into the double transaction with minimum 15 data. Um, that is a enough variation. Need to show our uh, it's only contains ada transaksi nama transaksi and with status it's only in cancel uh, ending success but it's not cancel, and then we need to arrange it uh, to small and the big one, so it's using a scanning. Okay, let's just start. Okay, uh, first step is we need to create the database with uh, our student number and then 81, and then we use the database that we created before, use the it will create table transaksi like Mr. Fadli told us, which is it contains ID transaksi, which is int or integer, and it's auto increment, and it's primary key. And then tanggal transaksi is using a date. Nama pelanggan using varchar. Uh, it's 100 character. And jenis transaksi it's using a varchar 2 with 50 character. Kategori varchar 50 character. Jumlah using decimal 10 and 2. Method pembayaran using varchar which is 50, and status enum, which is pending, success, and cancel. And then we create a timestamp default current timestamp. Okay, after we enter and we create the table transaction, like uh, what the assignment said, we need to add one more column into the table, which is we need to add code transaksi using varchar and with 20 character, and the type is unique. And then after that, after we done creating the table, the transaction table, and then now we insert the data that we have. We using insert into transaksi. The transaksi is the name of the table. what we need to insert is tanggal transaksi, nama pelanggan, jenis transaksi, kategori, jumlah, metode pembayaran, status and kode transaksi. And the values are in here. So this is the tanggal. It contains year, month, and a day. Nama pelanggan, here's a kill, and the jenis transaksi, it's a pembelian. The category is electronic. Jumlah it's 1.5 million using transfer. TRX001, which means like transaction, but we made it short because we need to put insert 15. So in here we put 15, like Akil, Brian, Caca, Zaki, and Julia, and status. There's 3 jenis, which is pembelian. Oh no, sorry, it's only 2 jenis transaksi. It's pembelian and pembayaran. And then in the category, there's electronic, fashion, makanan, only 3, and jumlah is a variative. It's 1.5, 30, 50, 100, 120, 100, and then 2.5 million, 500,000, 85,000. And the method pembayaran, it can use transfer, cash, and e-wallet. And for the status, it's a success, pending, and cancel. And for the code transaction, we just made it simple, like 1, 2, and then 15. And the last step, we need to show the data that we insert before, but we need to only show 3 column, which is ID transaksi, nama pelanggan, and kode transaksi. And then what we need to show is a transaction with the status cancel. So and then the data is ascended, which is from small ID transaksi and yeah, from small to large, like in this 3, 5, 8, 11, 13. In here we select because we chose this ID transaksi nama pelanggan. Well, we need to show this. Then it's from transaksi, which means from table transaction, and where the condition, the status is cancelled, not success, not pending, but it's cancelled. And to arrange it, we use the order by edit transaction as standard. Okay. Um, okay, maybe that's all I can explain. Sorry if my explaining is not really good. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Uh, Sorry and thank you. Uh, okay. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.